I have been waiting for you since morning. They have been playing board games all night. We have been trying to solve this puzzle. He has been driving a car for a few years. They have been doing yoga every morning for a while now. I have been walking in the park all morning. I have been studying for the exam all week. She has been jogging in the park every morning. We have been hiking in the mountains since morning. She has been shopping at the mall all morning. We have been dancing at the party. He has been doing his homework all evening. I have been reading a newspaper all morning. He has been doing his homework. They have been designing their own clothing line. We have been playing soccer all afternoon. I have been trying out new hairstyles and makeup looks. I have been trying out different DIY craft projects. We have been exploring ancient ruins. I have been reading a book. I have been cooking lunch for everyone in the house. We have been waiting for the bus. She has been knitting a sweater. I have been working on a project for a few weeks now. I have been knitting scarves for the winter. They have been playing music in the band. I have been gardening in the backyard all season. I have been studying for the exam since morning. We have been learning a new language all month. The team has been brainstorming ideas for a project. We have been dancing at the party all night. We have been playing soccer. She has been playing the guitar. He has been studying for his medical exams. She has been cooking dinner for the family every evening. They have been swimming in the pool all summer. We have been hiking in the mountains all weekend. She has been volunteering at a local community garden. He has been teaching himself to play the guitar. I have been reading a newspaper. The students have been participating in the school play. He has been fixing the computer for hours. We have been attending online workshops and seminars. They have been traveling around the world. She has been attending online fitness classes. She has been playing tennis all summer. They have been talking on the phone. He has been designing a new website. He has been collecting vintage comic books. I have been trying out new cooking recipes and dishes. The scientists have been researching new discoveries. We have been learning about famous historical figures. We have been watching a football match since it started. They have been taking care of their pets. They have been exercising at the gym. She has been shopping at the mall. She has been watching a TV show. He has been driving a car. He has been trying to fix the broken computer. He has been taking care of his sick grandmother. I have been walking in the park for some time. She has been playing the guitar for years. She has been writing poetry since she was young. He has been cooking in the kitchen all afternoon. She has been taking photos of the beautiful scenery. She has been singing a song. He has been writing an email. They have been exercising at the gym every day. She has been watching a TV show all night. She has been playing with her pet dog. I have been studying math to improve my skills. They have been discussing the latest news. She has been shopping for new clothes. The dancers have been performing on stage. I have been taking care of my younger siblings. He has been painting a wall all day. He has been riding a bicycle. We have been watching a football match all evening. He has been practicing the guitar for weeks. We have been learning a new language for some time now. They have been doing yoga every morning. I have been watching the birds in the park. He has been practicing digital design and graphic art. We have been studying for the test all week. We have been watching a football match. He has been creating digital art and animations. We have been practicing the piano. We have been attending online concerts and performances. I have been working on this project for a long time. She has been making homemade candles and soaps. They have been organizing a charity fundraiser. I have been learning to play the ukulele. We have been preparing for a family picnic. The chef has been cooking delicious meals. I have been cooking lunch for everyone. She has been studying English for 2 years. We have been discussing environmental issues. She has been listening to music all day. They have been talking on the phone for hours. I have been practicing my presentation. She has been writing a diary every day. He has been learning magic tricks to entertain others. I have been studying different art techniques. They have been practicing mindfulness and meditation. They have been playing chess for hours now. The workers have been constructing a skyscraper. He has been playing video games. I have been collecting stamps as a hobby. She has been practicing her dance routine for a recital. The team has been collaborating on a research project. I have been searching for a job. I have been playing a video game all day long. He has been studying at the library. I have been watching documentaries about history. We have been playing with the dog. He has been giving presentations at work. They have been talking to their friends. They have been working on a project together all year. The students have been participating in a science fair. He has been driving a car all year. He has been painting a wall for a while. They have been renovating their old house. The students have been creating a mural for the school. He has been fixing the computer. We have been waiting for the bus for a while now. I have been cleaning the garage. The workers have been building a bridge. The volunteers have been helping the community. I have been cooking lunch. The students have been studying hard for the exam. She has been attending virtual cooking classes. They have been running a marathon for hours. I have been organizing my room and decluttering. We have been painting the walls of our house. She has been listening to music. He has been writing articles for a magazine. They have been doing yoga. I have been dreaming of visiting that place. She has been watching a TV show all night long. They have been working on a secret project. We have been learning how to play chess. I have been reading books on various topics. I have been cleaning the garage for a while now. She has been practicing calligraphy and handwriting. We have been exploring the underwater world. They have been preparing for the upcoming event. They have been cleaning the house. He has been playing video games since he got home. We have been attending cultural festivals. I have been gardening in the backyard. We have been preparing for a surprise celebration. The team has been practicing their moves. He has been cooking in the kitchen for a while. I have been working on a project. She has been working all day. I have been walking in the park. We have been waiting for the bus for a while. She has been working on her photography skills. We have been playing with the dog all afternoon. They have been playing chess. She has been listening to music all day long. She has been volunteering at a local soup kitchen. They have been volunteering at a local food bank. I have been participating in online art classes. The team has been analyzing market trends. I have been studying for the exam. They have been cleaning the windows all day long. They have been training their pet dog to do tricks. He has been searching for his lost keys. We have been waiting in line for tickets. She has been sewing clothes for her family. He has been repairing electronic devices. We have been playing board games with family. We have been cleaning up the beach. They have been organizing a book club with friends. I have been reading a newspaper since I woke up. He has been writing an email to his boss since morning. He has been studying historical events and timelines. She has been taking care of her plants. I have been cleaning the garage all day. We have been exploring new places on our vacation. I have been trying to learn a new language. They have been attending virtual meetings. The children have been laughing at the funny jokes. She has been practicing yoga for relaxation. The artists have been sketching portraits of each other. She has been attending online language courses. They have been attending dance classes. The scientists have been conducting experiments. They have been building a new house. She has been knitting a sweater all day. She has been writing a letter. She has been painting a picture. He has been learning to play the piano. She has been shopping at the mall for some time. He has been writing a blog about his travel experiences. She has been cooking dinner for the family. I have been planning a surprise party. They have been swimming in the pool. We have been cleaning up the neighborhood. They have been preparing for a camping trip. The dancers have been rehearsing for the show. She has been jogging in the park. We have been enjoying the beautiful weather. He has been cooking in the kitchen. They have been working on a project together. She has been taking photos of the scenery. He has been writing an email to his boss. She has been making handmade gifts for her loved ones. I have been writing a novel for a long time. I have been playing a video game. She has been knitting a sweater for days now. The athletes have been training for the competition. I have been gardening in the backyard all season long. We have been waiting for a long time for the train. They have been talking on the phone all day. The team has been practicing teamwork and collaboration. I have been baking and trying out new recipes. They have been playing chess all afternoon. The team has been working on their strategy. We have been discussing important topics. I have been painting landscapes and seascapes. He has been playing basketball in the park. We have been studying for the test. He has been helping his friends with their homework. He has been studying astronomy and celestial bodies. He has been creating a scrapbook of memorable moments. He has been studying marine biology and ocean life. We have been studying for the test for days now. We have been studying different cultures. They have been practicing basketball all afternoon. We have been dancing at the party since the beginning. The musicians have been composing new songs. She has been taking photos. They have been learning English. I have been trying out different recipes in the kitchen. He has been repairing the broken car. I have been waiting for this moment for so long. We have been volunteering at the local shelter. He has been painting a wall. She has been working on her novel for months. We have been waiting for a long time. They have been practicing basketball. He has been collecting vintage coins and stamps. They have been talking to their friends all night long. He has been building a model of a famous landmark. They have been organizing charity events. They have been cleaning the windows. We have been shopping for groceries all morning. She has been singing a song all day long. She has been teaching music to young kids. They have been assembling a model airplane. I have been attending online classes. They have been cleaning the windows all morning. He has been fixing the computer all afternoon. He has been watching a movie. She has been cooking dinner. She has been playing the guitar all night. We have been hiking in the mountains. We have been waiting for the train for a long time. He has been studying at the library all week long. They have been exercising at the gym regularly. He has been studying at the library all week. He has been riding a bicycle around the neighborhood. They have been cleaning the house together. The students have been participating in a debate club. He has been doing his homework since he got home. I have been playing a video game all day. The students have been attending virtual field trips. The athletes have been competing in the tournament. She has been practicing her painting skills. She has been attending dance rehearsals regularly. We have been waiting for the bus for hours. We have been shopping for groceries since morning. They have been taking photos of beautiful landscapes. We have been shopping for groceries. She has been attending online dance and fitness classes. I have been playing video games with my siblings. He has been trying to improve his cooking. He has been playing video games for hours. I have been working on a project all month. I have been writing a novel. She has been volunteering at a local animal shelter. I have been watching documentaries about wildlife. I have been studying at the library. We have been saving money for a vacation. She has been helping her mother in the kitchen. She has been teaching children how to read. They have been swimming in the pool since summer started. She has been participating in online dance competitions. He has been running a successful business. We have been learning a new language. They have been talking to their friends all night. The students have been doing group projects. They have been hosting virtual parties with friends. I have been planting a vegetable garden in the backyard. They have been working on a collaborative art project. She has been taking care of her sick friend. He has been running in the park. The actors have been rehearsing their lines for the play.